how to add timestamps or chapters to your YouTube videos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add chapters or timestamps within your YouTube videos, which can help viewers better navigate and enjoy your videos. Okay, straight into it. So, as you can see, I'm in one of my videos, and when I scroll through the video, chapter or timeline titles appear on the scrolling bar and as a title below the thumbnail preview. This feature is automatically generated when you add chapter information to your video's description. You can either add this information when you're uploading a video, or you can go back and add it into videos you have already uploaded. To get started, open your video's description. You must add at least 3 timestamps, and each must be at least 10 seconds long. The first timestamp must be 0, so you add 0:00, then a space, and then the first chapter name. In the next line, enter the time of when the chapter will start. So on mine, you can see I've got it starting from 25 seconds, so I've put 0:25 space and then the name of the next chapter. You keep doing this for all of the chapters and then save the changes. And then the chapters and timestamps will appear on your video like I showed you before. And that's all it takes to add timestamps or chapters to your YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.